Welcome back. The demonstration I'm going to do now is called glass in oil. It's a fun little demonstration you can do, and you can do several experiments with this. You can put a glass, I'm going to put a glass in oil, and then what's going to end up happening is that the glass is going to be disappearing. So it's a clear glass. So in order for this demonstration to work, the glass that you're going to have to use is going to be a clear glass. And the reason we can see clear glass in air is that the light will reflect from it, and also when light goes through it, it's going from air through the glass, right, back to air. It's bending as the light is going through glass. So it's bending, and then it's bending back. And so the reason that we can see something through the air and we can still see the glass is that we're seeing that refraction, and we're seeing the background of the glass changing due to the refraction of the light going through the glass, right? But then when I immerse that glass in a medium that has the same index of refraction as the glass, or similar, so imagine the index of refraction of the glass is 1.5. If the index of refraction of the oil is similar to 1.5, then light will not bend going from the oil to the glass and back to the oil, and therefore when we observe it, it's actually going to be really hard to see the glass. So it's a really cool demo you can do. The other thing that this demo can show you is the bending of the pencil or other objects that are in oil or in water. You can see the bending effect. This is also due to the refraction of the light. When it goes from oil back into air, it refracts outwards, and it makes it look like the pencil, the tip of the pencil, is closer to the surface than it actually is. Okay, but now when you look really carefully in here, all you see is really the oil, right? You don't actually see that there's a glass in there. So look here what I'm going to do. I'm going to get these tongs and then pull this out, and you can actually see the glass. You see, the glass has oil in there. So now, the reason we can see the glass in air very clearly is that when light is going from air to the glass to the oil, and back to the glass, back to air, it's refracting, and then the background, we can see the background, the objects being refracted through there, and the interaction of the light through the oil, the glass and the oil, is causing us to notice the edges of the glass. Now when I slowly submerge this back into oil, okay, you can see that the glass completely disappears in the oil. You see, you can't see it. And if you look really, really carefully, you just can't see anything. Now the other interesting thing that you can do is look through the glass here, look at the pencil, and you see the glass and the oil are acting like a magnifying lens. They're enlarging the image of that pencil many, many times. So they're acting as a magnifying lens to see a very enlarged image of the pencil, a very thick enlarged image. Now when I go inside, since all the medium is the same medium, and I look at the pencil is now behind the glass, okay, and I don't even see any enlarged image of the pencil here. I should have seen an enlarged image. The reason why the glass and the oil, the reason why the glass is not enlarging the image of the pencil is because inside of the glass is oil, outside of the glass is also oil, and so the refraction is almost non-existent, and that's why we don't see the glass, and we don't see the enlarged image of the pencil. The only thing that's yielding a little bit enlarged image of the pencil is the oil itself, but the glass is not enlarging the image of the pencil. So the only way that a medium can enlarge an image is if it has an index of refraction larger than the surrounding image. So you can see it's not working as a magnifying lens anymore. So with this little demo, you can show the concept of index of refraction and the concept of refraction, and then the fact that if the index of refraction of the medium and the glass is the same, then we can no longer see the glass. Thank you very much.